There's some area you will go to in Kumasi. The houses you'll be seeing there will be so extraordinary. Hey, if care is not taken, you may not believe that you are actually in Kumasi. Like the houses like this, and like this one too. So the houses you'll be seeing here, guys, they are extraordinary. In fact, you'll be wondering, where did they take the plan to build the houses here? Guess. Maybe in my caption, you must have seen the place I am already. Yes, so I will take you through by drone, show you Danyame. Yes.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Danyame is a suburb of Kumasi. Yes, Kumasi is the regional capital of the Ashanti region of Ghana. Here is the residential area in the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. It is about 1 kilometer northwest from center of the regional capital, which is Kumasi.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Tyrone Ame Thompson is watching from America. Kelvin Leslie Boateng is still watching from Netherlands. Elinor Intiamwa is watching from London. Sorry if I couldn't mention the name well. Collins A. Frimpong is watching from South Africa. Sylvester Obeng Steven is watching from Tema, Ghana. Let me know where you're watching from so I can mention in my next video.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and go all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and go all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
in the comment section, guys, I want to hear from you. How do you see this place? If you have not gone around, if you've not moved around, you may never believe that places like this, you can find them in Kumasi. Because so many people think that it's only in Accra you can actually find good places, better places. That means you have not been traveling and going around. So, but if you have been moving around Kumasi, you will know that places like this exist. Places like this shouldn't be a surprise thing to you. Yes, shouldn't be a surprise thing to you. I've done Kumasi Hilltop before. So if you have not watched the video, you can go down to my channel. You can go down to this. You can go down to this my channel, guys, and look for the video. Although I didn't take the drone shots of that Kumasi Hilltop, that time I've not bought my own drone. Yes, so. But I think I'll still go there for the drone shot of it. So, in fact, let me know in the comment section, guys, how your opinion about this place, and let's hear from you. So, if you are new in my channel and you have not, you have not subscribed, to this YouTube channel, I think you need to subscribe. Yes, turn on the notification bell, so anytime I post a video, you will get notified and watch. Yeah, so, and also tell your friend to subscribe. Yes, so for them to see, share the video, for people to see this place. Yes, that this place really exists. Places like this really exist here in Kumasi Ghana, Danyame. Yes, so I think this is where I will draw the curtain of the video, and to see you in my next video.
I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.